Today we're going to be sketching with the Cafe Sketches Singapore, and welcome to Toa Payoh, Singapore. It's a really charming neighborhood and I'll show you around. Let's go. Toa Payoh, meaning big swamp in Hokkien. It's one of the dialect. The Chinese dialect was once a vast expanse of wetlands and forest. It was home to scattered kampongs and agriculture plantations. In the early 19th century, rubber and pineapple cultivation flourished, attracting migrant workers and establishing the area's economic foundations. In the 1950s, Singapore's burgeoning population demanded a solution to the housing shortage. Toa Payoh, with its strategic location and ample land, emerged as the ideal site for a new town. Under the visionary leadership of Prime Minister Lee Kuan Yew then, the ambitious Toa Payoh New Town project took shape. Today, Toa Payoh stands as a testament to Singapore's remarkable urban transformation. Its parks and recreational spaces serve as we are now walking towards the restaurant where we will be hosted by the owner. The restaurant name is WangThai Kitchen. As interesting decorations, well, we already see here some of the sketches, but more importantly, it has delicious food waiting for us to sketch. To do the easy one, dessert, and while I stared at others' delicious pad thai and all the other delicious food that's being served, I was just going to keep my drawing simple and participate after a long day at work. The photograph in the description below if you want to try this for yourself. I wish you could taste it and eat it. I'm sure you have Thai restaurant, or I hope you do, because that's a blessing in itself to taste a variety of food around the world. Thai food is one of the best in my reckoning. Called Red Ruby Jelly in Lemongrass. Mouthful, but again, it's delicious. Light and very soothing for a hot day. The dessert, I'm just thinking leave white. Leave as much as much white as I can get away with, basically, to show the reflection, to show all the lights and highlights that's hitting the food that I can see. French ultramarine and permanent alizarin crimson for the mixture to get the purple, and then it's between quinacridone rose for the orangey / reddish color. I seldom use single color for my painting because I think it's always more mature to think about mixing 2 or 3 colors in a shape, even though the shape might be very small. With the little red dots, I go and put down the major shapes of the shadows and the metallic spoon, and then I go in and put down the broth or the soup, if you like. That's a combination of quinacridone gold with lemon yellow as well as new gamboshed. Those are the color I use, and I'm thinking, how do I represent the sort of the very warm color, if you like. And I keep it simple, but again, I'm thinking leave lots of white for the highlights. Too many ideas and too many complexity and so on, but basically all you want to do is be present, be in the moment, and just enjoy yourself. I layer a shadow, if you like, on the bottom part of the broth, as well as some parts where I think there is a cast shadow on the jelly, because the brown color, the light brown color, really is part of the the jelly part of the dessert. And maybe some of the sketches that was out there playing with me. It's coming together on a stressful hot day, and sketching is amazing activity you can do. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this episode. It was a wonderful day out to sketch and enjoy the evening. So let us go sneak up on James, the organizer of this. Hey. He was doing his social media and I snuck on him. Let's show you the other sketches work as well. This is Regina, who happily showed me her work. And this is Sang Mi, who is originally from Korea, but of course she's a married Singaporean and she's here now. Next is Tony, mascot of Urban Sketchers Singapore. This one is me lah.
Yeah,
This one is James lah.
Jim can recognize by his photo.
You naughty boy! I got it on video.
What is not
Yes.
nice? What?
Lei Mui, this one.
I didn't used to think that.
Detail.
Yeah.
Alright, when it's all said and done, these are the works that the group produced for the day. Some has left early, but those that remain at the end when we were doing the throwdown.
What stand is that? Outside now.
Okay, Lai.
Okay, first, welcome everyone. Thank you for attending November's cafe sketching session. And today we are at the Toa Payoh market, right, at WangThai kitchen. And together with us, we have the chef here, Chef Ivan.
Thank you for the food.
I think everyone agreed the food here is very good.
Yeah.
And you know, I only bring you all to places with good food, so not disappointed at all.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, nice ride. Yeah. So this place, Ivan, you want to share a bit why you want to decorate your place with so many flowers? I also curious.
Firstly, because I myself I was a horror designer before. So I just want to create something, you know, like forest, the kind. Then because it brings a lot of cheerful happiness to people when they see a lot of flowers. Yeah.
Awesome. Like I got questions from my friends. Like,
Okay.
are you Thai or working in Thai restaurant before?
No, basically no.
Okay.
So through learning at home.
But very good Thai food. Yeah. So let's give him a big applause again.
Yay!
Okay.
So that's it. That's my doodle of the day. I hope you enjoyed this episode and the sketches that came out. Photo credit to James.